Today we're going to discuss what Mississauga real estate sales numbers are doing and why the last 3 months are very interesting for the future of Mississauga real estate. Now, October stats came out, and through the end of October, the average detached house was $1,389,000. Now, this sounds like a lot of money. However, the last 3 months, it's been very stable. Over the last 3 months, the average detached home is selling for $1,450,000. This is very good news for what the real estate market is going to show us going forward if the stability does continue. Now, when we dive into townhouses, we're going to see this difference in average price really shrink down because the market is starting to level off from what we can see from a numbers perspective. Condo townhouses over the last 3 months averaged $812,000, while October was $798,000. This is extremely close, which is a fantastic sign once again that the market is starting to level off and the buyers are starting to understand that these interest rates are going to be what we deal with for the foreseeable future. Now, the Bank of Canada has hinted at the fact that we might be very close to the end of these rate hikes, and if these prices are any indication of what will happen when these rate hikes do halt, it's a great thing for the future of Mississauga real estate. Knowing that the last 3 months we've had increases from the Bank of Canada and we've seen stabilization in the average purchase price is something that a lot of us are taking a big sigh of relief for. If you've purchased a house in the last year, this is going to be something that's amazing for you to hear, knowing that your asset and your property that you're now enjoying is going to hopefully stabilize a little bit more at the current values. Now let's dive into condos and see where they stand. October, condos were averaged at $648,000. This sounds like a lot, but the average over the last 3 months was $634,000. October 2022 had a higher average condo sale price than the last 3 months averaged out. Condos, being the entry level for people to get into the market, is where a lot of people are starting to put their money. If you can no longer afford a detached or a townhouse, your next step in the market is to go down to a townhouse. So the condo prices have actually jumped up over the last 3 months average. So if you're hoping to get in the market and you are at that starting level, whether it's a condo or a condo townhouse, you might want to consider where these numbers trend going forward. If you're hoping to get in the next couple months, pay attention over the next couple of videos that I put out for market updates and see where these averages play out. The last thing we want to do is start to see prices increase or rates increase and then your prices stabilize where they are, and you might have paid lower on your mortgage rate a couple months ago if that's the case. Now, the last thing I want to discuss is the days on market. Days on market over the last 3 months is averaged well in the mid-20s, 24 to 26 days across all aspects, so detached, townhouse, condos. But October, we started to see some of these aspects drip into those high teens, so 17, 18 days on market. This is going to validate the pricing that we're seeing. If prices are raising on the condo side of things and properties are moving quicker, we need to be very cautious if we're waiting for this drop in the market. Maybe we are actually at the bottom. This is something that nobody knows when it's going to happen. We might have already passed that bottom. Keep an eye on what the market brings. Let me know what you think the next 6 months of real estate are going to be, and I'll have a prediction video coming out very shortly to see how accurate I'll be in the next 12 months for the GTA real estate. This is Mississauga specifically, and if you're hoping to see a video on a community that you live in, let me know, and I'll put a video exactly giving you those numbers for whether it's Brampton, Toronto, Mississauga, whatever community it is you're looking for. I'll provide you those numbers. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you could, subscribe to the channel. You're going to get more real estate information. Surprise, twice a week going forward. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.